Welcome to this video on an overview of Syllabus and Lesson Plan module in IFW Campus ERP 2.0. During this video, you will have a look and feel about the product. In the module list at the left, there is a module Syllabus and Lesson Plan. This is divided into two parts, Masters and Forms. Let's have a look at this module in detail. The first form is Syllabus. This form is used to keep a record of all the syllabus subject-wise. Let's see how we can keep this record. Click on Add New. Select the course. Select the class level. Select the subject. The syllabus will be maintained subject-wise. Give the unit name. If you have the syllabus with you in PDF, Excel, Word, etc., you can give the attachment here. Along with this, we have the syllabus content. Here you can add the content of the syllabus using this Add button. Click on Add, give the title and content, click on this Add and click on Save to save your records. We have given the multiple titles here. You can give the multiple titles as well as their content. This is how the details are saved. You can add the multiple titles using this Add button and click on Save to save your records. The Export and Export Plus buttons are used to generate the reports. Export gives you the report in HTML, PDF, Excel and CSV. We will take a print and see how the report gets generated. This is the report which is generated using the Export button. Now we will see how we can use the Export Plus to generate the reports. The fields are given here. You can choose the fields and align them in the order you require. You can use the given options here like serial number, sorting options. You can select the orientation, you can select the paper size, you can give the alignments to the columns, you can give the page margins. Click on Export and Print to generate the report. This report has been generated using the Export Plus button with the various options. After the syllabus, next form is Lesson Plan. Once the syllabus is created, you can generate the lesson plans as per the date-wise content which will be taught in any particular subject. Click on Add New. Select the course, class, the subject. The syllabus which you have created on the syllabus form will be shown here. You can use this Use Syllabus checkbox to get the syllabus content here. Click on the syllabus, give the topic name which will be taught, the hours and the date, from which date till which date this topic will be covered. You can give the references, you can give the remark if any, and click on Save. If you haven't entered any syllabus, you can also generate the lesson plan without any syllabus. Click on Add New. Select the course, the class, and the subject. If you have not entered the syllabus, you can directly put the topic. Just keep this checkbox unchecked. Directly enter the topic, the hours and the date in which this topic will be covered, the reference and the remark if any, and click on Save. So the lesson plan can be linked with syllabus and it is also independent of syllabus. It depends how you want to use it. Similar to the other forms, here also we have Export and Export Plus buttons to generate the report. Export will give you the direct report. This is the report generated using the Export button, the lesson plan report with all the details of subject, employee who has entered the details, the topic which will be taught and the date from which to which this topic will be covered, the number of hours this topic requires, and the references and remarks. Similarly, Export Plus button is given with various fields, the dynamic features. You can use these features and generate the report. You can use the options given here, the serial numbers, paper orientations, paper size, the column alignments, margins, etc. Click on Export and Print. This is the report generated using the Export Plus button. For the lesson plans, we have two more buttons, Report and Report Plus. These give you some predefined reports like teacher lesson plan report. Here you don't have much options. You only have a few options given here. Directly click on export and print. So this is the teacher lesson plan report. The next one is teacher lesson plan not submit report. Using this report, you can check the lesson plans which have not been submitted by the employees. These are the employees who have not submitted their lesson plans. These predefined reports are given here. This was all about the syllabus and lesson plan module. Thank you.